their children on Medicaid. But 60% of the money goes to two other groups. First, seniors on Medicare who don't have any money left but are in nursing homes, and Medicaid pays the nursing home bill. They want to cut this by a third over 10 years. Who's going to insure those poor kids? Who's going to decide whether Aunt Mary or Aunt Lonnie gets kicked out of the nursing home? But they got to do it to get another taxpayer. And worst of all, the third group in Medicaid are families with children with disabilities, with autistic conditions, or cerebral palsy, or muscular dystrophy, or developmental disabilities. They are blessings from God, but they cost more. And their parents very often have really comfortable middle-class incomes, but they could not go to work in the morning if someone weren't helping them. How can we live in a country that would give them middle class, give poor people a chance to work their way into it, and build a 21st century economy? Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Who's got the only plan to reduce the debt? Barack Obama. Who has got the best plan to let us go forward together and keep forming a more perfect union? Barack Obama. And we need more people voting early. And I haven't mentioned the automobile today because I figured you know that.